Hey everybody, it's Friday, 5:30 at night. Rare Friday night auction is happening. Never took a left. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so we are in Morgantown, West Virginia, out in the middle of nowhere. And we're here at this quaint little auction house. It's actually this building here. And we're gonna go in there and see if we can get some stuff for auctions. I'm gonna try and get a preview, but this is our first time here, so I don't know if they take too kindly to us filming.
We don't take kindly to those that don't take kindly.
That's right. Sarah's here. Yeah.
Hi.
So that's what we're gonna do. And if we don't get the preview, I'll show it all to you when we get back. Oh look, there's ducks. I know how much you love ducks.
These are decoys. Big floats. President Francis?
Puzzle of the United States. Knock, knock.
The color forms was met. Actually. Excuse me.
Not doing it. Commemorative plates ever again.
But these are carnival glass.
Maybe they're worth.
Yeah.
Cassettes. Lots of cassettes. What? Is that Joe Camel?
Yeah.
That might be worth.
I don't know. We still got 10. I know. I wanted to look that up actually. I'll take a picture of it.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I looked it up already.
Oh.
It's worth like $10. I don't look up how big I rigged.
Yeah, I was thinking about this, but yeah, I mean there is.
Superman bubble bath. Avon Superman bubble bath.
Oh yeah, I should have said that.
Look, this is Superman brush. This Snoopy brush.
They got a lot of Avon things.
Yeah. Oh, mess.
I know. I was wanting to look at the bottom and see if these are Arnells.
This is cool.
Yeah, they are. These are Arnells. They're a little dirty, but I could probably clean them up when I'm making.
People love those lamps.
Those are Desert Storm Farm.
Those are all, it's a whole case of Desert Storm. Oh, these are cool. They're all action photos. That might be worth something. it's a Barbie motorhome. It's pretty cool. I don't think these are worth anything. As I say, console energy on them, but they're all Nike, so they look like.
Get 10 apiece. Go get 10. That means that nothing where you get one 10. Go get 5 apiece. Hit $5 there. Guys helping out in Sugar Creek, Ohio. These are $50 in the antique store. What's wrong? They're brand new. $5. Anybody on the new decoys? Any interest? 5 apiece. 5. 7 behind the where? Put them on the lawn. Go get 750. If you find 7 behind. Anybody else on that kind? You want them all?
All right, guys, we are back from that auction, and smaller auction than we're used to, but we did get some really good stuff. We're definitely going to have to go back. They guess they do this every Friday night, so we're definitely going to go back and check it out again because it was kind of cool. We enjoyed it, and the people there were really awesome. So, yeah, not the biggest haul in the world, but enough to make some money. And we got, first things first is Small Child here. Just walking around checking everything out, I guess. So that's nice of her. Small Child, you gotta go. You can't. You want to be on camera? Thanks, Small Child. I beat it. Come on, get off there. Get out of here, Small Child. You can't. Now's not the time to be pets.
She's so correct.
She is. Look, she's got a thumb. Full count. She's 9 years old, by the way. She's not a kitten. So she's a small cat. All right, enough of Small Child hour. Beat it. Can you come get Small Child? She's, oh dear. Small Child, seriously. This video is not going well.
This is when she does the rub and stuff, so she may bite.
Yeah, she does. She gets a little munchy sometimes.
You get a little munchy.
All right, back to why you came. Cat hair free. First thing is this. It's pretty cool. I had to look it up, but I bought it without even looking it up because there's a lot of old mining stuff there, and they were selling mining buckets, which I guess are like lunch pails. And we looked them up online, and they are actually they sell for decent money. So this is called a self-rescuer, and I am unsure of exactly how it rescues you. It looks like one of those things where it's kind of like a one-time use thing where you just pop this and something flies out of here, so I'm not gonna open it. But yeah, they're going for like $28 to $35 online, so pretty cool piece of history there. There was a lot of vintage Avon stuff at this auction, and a lot of it really wasn't worth too much money. This is Avon Superman Bubble Bath for children. Take it out of the box here for you guys, since we've got a little bit of time in this video, because there's not a lot to go over. So, there's the Bubble Bath, Superman. It's got some bubble bath in it still. It doesn't look like it's ever been opened. I believe it comes out of his torso. So, there's that. Probably from the 70s, would be my guess. And then we've got a vintage, these are like little plastic capes that came with it. And we've got a vintage Superman brush. Isn't that neat? So, again, probably from the 70s. The brush by itself is worth about $20 with the box, and this is worth about $20 with the box. So those should be decent little finds there. We got this Disney phone here. She's worth about $25 to $50. However, what we didn't notice until we got it is that it's broken. There's supposed to be another like little prong here. There's supposed to be 4 total, and yeah, we didn't notice that it was actually broken. So might not be worth as much. All right, next is this guy. This is Goofy, Sleepy Goofy. Looks like he's enjoying his nap there. He is actually worth a decent amount of money. Price tag here was $45 on sale for $35, but he's worth about $50, anywhere from $30 to $50. So we didn't pay too much for him. I think we paid $20, not even, for him. So he's worth a decent amount of money, and he's not broken. So this one should be worth a decent amount of money. Sarah got her favorite things here. Oh, I almost broke it. These are all mushroom jars. That's out of the way. These are all mushroom print jars. What'd you spend on these? $20 for all of them. And we saw comps for 4 of them for like 60, 65, yeah. 70. We saw one go for like 80, 85. And we got 6 of them, or we got 5 of them. I'm sorry, we got 5 of them. So these should definitely be a good bit of money. I think we're actually going to put these on an auction. Yeah. So, because it seems like they go for decent money. I think I'll just start them out too. Yeah, probably. So we'll move Goofy out of the way. This was probably one of the better pickups today. And I have to do a little more research, so don't quote me on anything I say. These two actually, I'm not including in the when I said this is the best pickup of the day. These are just Desert Storm cards. We've seen these before many times. These are just the wax packs that, you know, it's a full set. There was tons of them there. Somebody had a whole case of them. So we paid $2.50 a box for these. They're worth about $12. Nothing too crazy here. But this is actually almost a mistake. I bid on it because the bidding got kind of low on it, and I was like, oh, maybe I'll get it, and I did. So this could be worth some money, and I do have to do some research, so I'm not super up to date on exactly what all these are worth. I know a lot of the 80s baseball cards aren't really worth much. We have some on our eBay store now, and they sell, but they don't sell super fast. The reason we bought them is because of these Disney collector cards. These are worth about $3 a pack. So we'll definitely get our money out of that. These football cards here, the NFL Pro Lines collector cards, I have to look these up, but I didn't actually see a year on these when I was there. So I'm going to have to look them up. But these could be worth a decent amount of money. But what is actually... These, we have to look up. These are comic ball cards. Looney Tunes comic ball cards. Pretty neat. They look relatively old, too. 1990. So, yeah, I'll have to look those up. But there is, if I could find it while you guys are here, I'll show you. Oh, here it is. The 1991 PGA Tour cards. This could be worth some money, mainly because there could be a Tiger Woods rookie card in here. And I have to be sure, but I believe that was his rookie year. So these could be worth some money. And then there's just football cards in there. There's tons and tons of cards in here. There's hockey cards. There's more NFL cards, score baseball cards. There's some weird like movie cards, The Rocketeer. There's a Terminator one in here somewhere. See if I can find it. Oh, there's even more comic ball too. So I have to look some of these up, but I know that I believe these golf cards are going to be worth some money. So I'll have to check that out. But yeah, we paid $17 or $15 for the whole box. So there's without a doubt $15 worth of stuff in here, if not way more. So yeah, pretty excited about that. I'm not sure what years, 1991 and 92 NHL, so that might actually have some decent players in it too. And then in this bag there was more Desert Storm cards. There's the Terminator cards. Pretty cool. And that's the last thing we got was eggs. they were selling farm fresh eggs from a local farm there. So for $2.50, we got ourselves some eggs.
Yeah, they are actually bidding on
Yeah, they were bidding on eggs. Yeah. But yeah, that was so since we're on this diet, we can eat eggs. So we're gonna actually probably have some right now. All right, and that's it. I know, smaller haul than you guys are used to, but still a good one nonetheless. We're going to make some money off of this stuff for sure. And the cards, I believe, are going to be pretty prosperous. So that's about it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel. We're getting close to 1,000. We're going to do a pretty big giveaway at 1,000. So definitely subscribe and see what craziness we get into next. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!